Hi everyone, I welcome you all to the most immediate event, Mysoru's first .NET community launch. The main goal of my talk today is going to find out what's the coolest thing that you can do today. I'm Raghavendra, I'm from Mysuru, a very clean and traditional city that we all are proud of. And my agenda for this event is to sensitize the audience about the two key challenges that we at Mysoru's first Microsoft.NET Open Discussion Forum, My.NET, have been working on. These two are a source of knowledge and skillful resource pooling among Mysuru. How do you exactly contextualize what we do in our workspace to the audience right here? How can I truly convey to you the magnitude of the struggles we deal within the cities like Mysuru? So in 2013, I started this alone with some weird ideas with the support of my colleagues and friends. But Mr. Chenkeshwar had supported me very well and gave me good opportunities which would help me in many ways and to explore more things. Not to forget, before all this support, even I struggled a lot to get knowledge supports in Mysuru, and believe me, it was very difficult for me to get updated. So overcoming all of these things, I thought of starting a discussion forum, create awareness about latest trends, visit institutions and create audience and educate audience the importance of upgrading their knowledge. We personally traveled many cities in and out of the country, attended multiple technical events organized by Microsoft and other technical forums. We were very confident at that time. We wanted to launch a very ambitious project, and then we thought we were going to change the world, we were going to take over the world, and so on. But that never happened. Well, we sat down, we started analyzing this between us, and our agenda was to include young IT people in and around Mysuru to be aware of the importance of updating their skill set and getting knowledge. This will help Mysuru get its own highly skilled IT professionals and get more opportunities. So we began by conducting a huge stakeholder consultation in 2013, continuous, sensitive, exhaustive, rigorous consultation with young people in academia, in public areas, and young people who are changing and making their mark in their communities. Following this huge stakeholder consultation, we started understanding and analyzing the problems that we are facing in the city. So few of them are like no public events are happening to encourage youths. Coaching centers or finishing schools are not being able to make students industry ready. Youths are not getting opportunities to experience industrial knowledge in Mysuru. 90% of the graduate students are not offered or encouraged for employment in Mysuru. Most of the working professionals want to upgrade, but since they are not finding any proper or promising place to get genuine knowledge, they are stuck in their own limitations and not trying to explore. To fight this cause, we went out to the institutions, started public events, talking to students and techies. We met many people and spoke to them with a large group, collecting information about the challenges to start a technical community. But the slide says 1 equal to n, or maybe 1 is greater than n. So what does it mean? I promise I'll let you know soon. So following these two things, we launched our pilot. This was called Project Discussion Garage 2016. We launched it internally and discussed in public. So you all might have a form. So that's what we were discussing from 2016. It's like, do you think you are competitive with current Microsoft technologies? If so, why? And have you ever tried doing technology related market research? So how? Are you or your team interested in knowing or getting an awareness on latest technologies? If so, please list few. Then, where do you think you can update your knowledge or skills in Mysuru? What areas of interest will you be willing to contribute towards this initiative? Are you part of any technical forums? What are your expectations from this community? So these were the 7 challenges we had in our mind when we started, and then we started answering from us. This happened the most ambitious project to share and learn. We met only youth, mostly students in Mysuru, and potentially created awareness about learning to more than 300 to 400 people. But again, the slide says n equal to 1 or maybe n is greater than 1. So I'll let you know very soon on that. And one person's response was very interesting when I asked him the question, how important for you to update yourself and what's your vision? The response was really surprising. He explained, I'm the one who evaluates the knowledge and I don't need to update. So your guess is correct. The person is from technical teaching background. So if we have this mentality in a society, we can't expect any quality outputs from students and no skillful resource pool in Mysuru. So by this time we have understood the problems, requirements and interests and started finding solutions as technology enthusiasts. We then planned to create an open technology discussion forum where we bring all the dignitaries, experienced experts and technology enthusiasts together, connecting all the techies and students at one platform. We would like every techie in and around Mysuru be part of this community and utilize the platform to the fullest to their technical requirements and grow together with us. We mainly concentrate on 7 different areas as shown in this slide. Problem solving. We provide an open platform where anyone can have their technical challenges discussed here, get solutions and share their valuable experience. This will help many and guide with the simple and experienced ideas in solving problems very fast. Publish latest Microsoft news and updates. We will try to publish or share as much as latest Microsoft updates from our end with the community members and publish through our FB page and emails. We expect more contribution from all the members. Then continuous learning and knowledge sharing. We would be conducting sessions on latest technologies and best practices regularly, monthly ones or 2 months once. We request all to be part of us and bring your friends and colleagues also, which would help this community grow stronger and provide this community a chance to benefit more people. Connecting techies and in and around Mysuru, connecting Microsoft. As we grow stronger, we can connect more people, have large skillful resource pool, and connect Microsoft for bigger initiatives and support. Technical events and workshops. We not only do demos and theoretical sessions, we work with people in practical implementations for on-ground experiences. This will boost confidence in audience and help them learn faster. Then comes visit IT companies and educational institutions. We voluntarily visit educational institutions and IT companies on request for tech talks and workshops. Utilizing this, institutions or companies can benefit more by categorizing and upgrading the resources or students in the required areas. So these kind of special interest. And then support other social and wellness activities in Mysuru and charity. We not only concentrate on IT and technical developments in city, we also support social and wellness activities like marathon, hackathon and fun-filled events. Other than IT, there are many other hands who is looking for help. We would love to help them through charity. We request all the techies to utilize My.NET community to the fullest for the technical growth and contribute by sharing knowledge to make this community grow stronger. And again, finally the question, Amit, Mullian, or one is greater than N? So what does this mean exactly? So it's like in every context, starting from student to expert, learning to sharing, startup to MNC, and discussions to forums. Everything starts with one entity and multiple challenges. That doesn't mean that the established entity is born to handle only identified challenges. We are born leaders. We can solve not only n number of problems, together we can be bigger and stronger. We can solve more than what we think, we can help more than what we can, and we can be more than what we believe. So, now finally, like, what's the coolest thing that we can do today? So it's one thing, please join us and be part of MySourceFirst.in community. Let's look for the brighter future, creating skillful resource pool and bring more opportunities to Nava Mysore. It's like till now we had an interaction with a huge number of youths and students. So most probably this is the first time we are interacting with a huge number of working category. So we expect more people. We expected and we still expecting. So it's like it worked out. So thank you for your valuable time, and please join us and bring your colleagues, friends, and more people into us, and we'll do a better job. Thank you.